This week's workshop, therefore, is not just another item or checklist on our calendar. It is a milestone in our journey towards better governance and smarter development. Both profiles we are here to validate were initiated last year by our provincial officers who work tirelessly to gather data from across our communities. I am aware WPG, with limited funds and a planning division, initiated the whole ward profile exercise. These profiles are more than just documents. They are reflections of our people, their challenges, their strengths, their hopes for the future. But data alone is not enough. It must be verified, understood, and owned by the very community it represents. That, it, that is why our presence here today is so important. I encourage us all to think beyond the numbers. Let us ask, what do these profiles tell us about the lives of our people? What gaps do they reveal in service delivery, infrastructure, education, health, and livelihoods? What opportunities do they uncover for targeted development and investment?
Yun mga pala, very important na kantina ni pala Western Province and WDC. Ni pala Kamloya, ni pala Kambilina World Profile. Tapi looking mo mi lanin no dis pala Sofia, no World Blomi pala. Kasi ni pala very important ni pala World ni pala Kam. Ini pala printing out no everything ya community needing no World ni pala. Kita project o kasi
Our convening here this week is a milestone in our journey towards better governance and smarter development. The outputs we produce this week are living documents and which we will need to update, revalidate as we go ahead, go along, and as we kick off boxes. The onus is therefore upon us to ensure we prioritize, reprioritize, and allocate resources where necessary to address our development and safety.
As we conclude this workshop, I am overwhelmed with emotions, gratitude, joy, and a sense of accomplishment as we mark another significant milestone in our journey towards developing a brighter future for Western Province. One hand cannot clap. Our work this week has proven the truth of this proverb. When we work together, we achieve what alone would be impossible. Over the last 5 days, we have validated 26 ward profiles, and today we are working on the province's 10-year strategic plan, 2025-2035. This exercise was more than just checking boxes. It was communities telling their stories of families rebuilding after storms, of teachers and students seeking safer classrooms, of women and men walking the gardens that feed our children. Feedback Blue and supplement the data where you collect them through our provincial offices and ensure that the plan reflects real needs and real opportunities.